by jersey number 8. Pass to Tahor. Pass to Iglesia. Iglesia, good for 2. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 48. Tumira ng ball, good for 2. Pass to wala. Leonino, rebound by Jordan, good for 2. Jersey number 31. Good for 2. Pass to Ramizcal, pumukul ng 3. 3-point by Ramizcal. Pass to jersey number 2. Giving the ball. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, good for 2. Bahayan, pass to Iglesia. Iglesia, basket. 33, on the drive. Pass to jersey number 24. Good for 2. Wala pa din. Manzano, pass to jersey number 33. Good for 2. The ball. Pass to Tahor, intercept by jersey number 30. On the drive, good for 2. Pass to Tahor. Tahor, good for 2. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 2. Wala. Jersey number 2, good for 2. Pass to Tahor. Tahor, good for 2. Pass to jersey number 33. Can the shoot? Pass to jersey number 5, good for 2. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Manzano. Manzano for 3. 3-point. Limit 50 seconds. Tahor. Tahor, good for 2. Pass to jersey number 29. Can the shoot? Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. 3-point by De La Cruz. Pass to Linda. Received by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 2, Manzano, good for 2. Pindasa, kahit kanino, pass to De La Cruz. Tumira ng 3. De La Cruz, 3-point. Pass to Iglesia. Pass to jersey number 31. Good for 2. By jersey number 5. Intercept by pass to jersey number 31. On the drive, good for 2. First personal foul, second team foul. Jersey number 21 on the lane, good for 2. Oras po natin, last 46 seconds. Intercept by jersey number 28. Pass to Manzano on the lane, good for 2. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 31. Good for 2 by De La Cruz. Pass to jersey number 29. Good for 2 by jersey number 15.
15 to shoot. Easy to shoot. We will be jersey number 5. Jersey number 9. Nagmamadali. 8. The big one. Jersey number 8.
40, 26.
3 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 22, 3 points. Let's go to jersey number 8. Jersey number 22. Easy shot. Right, jersey number. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Good for 2. Jersey number. Oh! Manzano, and the new ball. Manzano, pass to Tukulana. Jersey number 31. 31. Dire-diretso. This is 2 points, but there's enough to shoot. Jersey number 3.
Rebound ni jersey number. Asa mo yung utos dyan? Jersey number 2. Easy 2 points by jersey number 2. Easy 2 points by jersey number 31. Jersey number 31. Easy layup by jersey number 31. Wala. Rebound ni jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 wala. Tipped by jersey number 23. Center of the ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 15. Pull up jumper. Jersey number 15. Easy 2 points. 14 to shoot. Easy 2 points by jersey number 6. Jersey number 33. Harassed by 2 person. Easy 2 points by jersey number 2. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 15 to shoot. Long three. Jersey number 38. Remaining time in the second quarter. Ramiscal. Tumira ng 3. Ramiscal. Back to Ibuso. 15 to shoot. Wala. Saul. Center up the ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 21. Jersey. Sumalaksak. Wala. 5 to shoot. Easy 2 point. Jersey number 31 to jersey number 6. Sumalaksak. Easy 2 points. Abrahano. Easy 2 points. 15 to shoot. Sahar. 10 to shoot. Iglesia. Pull up jumper by Iglesia. 10 to shoot. Sahar. Rebound ni jersey number 29. Easy 2 points. 10 to shoot. Pass to Sahar. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23, lock. Jersey number 24, so for 3. Rebound Abrahano. Abrahano, easy 2 points. Ibulso. Set up the ball. Long three. Rebound ni jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 to Abrahano. Abrahano. Musbang rep, jersey number 20. Ibulso. Line foul. Second personal foul, second team foul. First row. Reserve timeout. Timeout. Good. Set up the ball. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Wala. Rebound jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Pass to shoot. Easy 2 points by jersey number 9. Kapitawa ng bola. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 24. Easy 2 points by jersey number 23. Pull up jumper. Rebound ni Iglesia. Iglesia. Jersey number 9. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. Who's foul rep? Offensive foul. Jersey number 22. Sahar. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 23. Tigilan natin yan, pag ganyan. Tigilan natin yan, kakasakitan na lang. Tigil na po natin. Magkakasakitan lang eh. Kasi yan lang po eh, gusto natin, di po sakitan. Tigil na po natin.